good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome to Ella Skincare. How you are doing? Hope you all are doing good. Happy New Year to you all, because this is the first time I'm making a video for the year. Okay, I know my first video was a giveaway that I promised December and I did it January, and this is the first time I'm uploading videos. And most of you have been calling me, I've been asking, Ella, what's wrong? Ella, what's happening? Ella, we miss you. Ella, I am back. Okay, thanks so much for checking up on me. Thank you so much for calling, and thanks to those that were still buying products for me even though I was not online on YouTube. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. God bless you all. And for those that have been waiting, that could not reach me, that have been waiting for me to drop a video, God bless you all too. Thank you all for waiting. Okay, a lot happened, that's why I've not been here. Okay, a lot happened. Okay, if you check my other channel, my new channel, which is Ikurusi Manuela, you see that a whole lot happened. I had to move from my comfortable life, my very okay life, to a life that was not very okay. But now, I'm getting better. I'm getting okay right now. So lovely. Today's video, I will show you how to make a whitening lotion. Okay, how to Promix. Okay, a promise that is not going to damage your skin, a promise that is not going to give you stretch mark, a promise that is not going to give you grieving, give you other nasty stuff, no reaction whatsoever. A simple clean promise. Let's just call this my new year gift. Okay, promise that will transform your skin. I'm going to tell you everything, the measurement and everything for that promise. But before we go into the video, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on IG at ellaskincare_1 and also our backup page at ellaskincare_2, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Honey, subscription means a lot to me. Okay, subscribe, it's free. Subscribe, and also give this video a big fat thumbs up so that other people will see this video, okay, and they can learn too. You can sell this recipe that I'm about to show you. You can use it yourself, you can make it and give it as a gift to someone that you like, and yeah, you can do whatever you want to do with it, because this recipe is blast. It's blast. So lovely, let's just go into the video already, because I've been talking too much. So let's go into the video. So lovely, the first thing you need, which is our base, is the jeggings. Okay, the jeggings lightning lotion. Okay, or you can call it the jeggings for first skin. I'm gonna put a pic here on the screen so you can see. And please don't get the fake jeggings. Don't get the jeggings that is watery. Don't get the local jeggings. This is the made in Nigeria jeggings. Please do not get it. If you're in the market and you want to buy and you see that the jeggings is watery, please don't buy it, because this recipe is in our advanced class. Okay, and some of my students told me that they bought it and they bought the watery one. The person selling told them that it's because of heat, that's why the jeggings is watery. Please don't buy jeggings that is watery. It's fake in an original package. Okay, fake in an original container. There's nothing that is impossible in this country. Okay, just make sure you get the original, and I'm going to put a pic here to show you how to identify your fake and original jeggings. Okay, and jeggings is not optional. Okay, and so I know some of you will ask me, Ella, can I switch the base for another base? No, you cannot switch the base for another base. Each recipe have their own ingredients, and this recipe, everything here is not optional, and they are easy to get, very easy for you to get if you're in Nigeria. And if you cannot get them, you can still contact me. Don't forget, I sell all skincare products, original skincare products. Okay, supplement, injection, I sell all of them. So what you need is your jeggings. You need your jeggings and you need your bow oil. Please get your original bow oil, and if you cannot lay your hands on bow oil, or you don't have bow oil, you can use your recovery oil. Okay, you can use your recovery oil, or you can use your rescue oil. But if you want to use recovery oil, just know that you have to be very careful with your recovery oil. Don't add too much of it. Okay, don't add too much, because too much recovery oil or too much bow oil can reduce the potent of your product. It can make the product work a little bit slow, or even make the product not to work at all. Okay, that's why I'm going to give you the measurement for everything. And after about oil, the next thing you need is your cozy deep powder. Okay, your cozy deep powder is the next thing that you need. Cozy powder is very easy to get. Just get the original of whatever I'm saying right here. Okay, get the originals. And after your cozy deep powder, what you want to get is your rosehip oil. Okay, rosehip oil, like I said earlier, is a whitening cream that will glow your skin, that will not give you patches, no stretch mark, no nothing. Okay, you need your rosehip oil. Get an original organic rosehip oil, but any rosehip oil you feel you can lay your hands on, that that is original, and you've been working with that rosehip oil and it's working for you, please lay your hands on that rose hip oil. And the next ingredient you want to get is your glutathione serum. I'm not talking about the other glutathione serum I did a review here on this channel. No, I'm talking about the yellow glutathione serum. That's what you want to get. Get the glutathione concentrate. Yes, glutathione concentrate. That's a proper name for it. Glutathione concentrate. That's what you want to get. I need Skin Good tube. Okay, Skin Good is an anti-spot cube. Help with reaction. Help with lots of stuff. Okay, now if you don't have Skin Good tube and you have any other anti-spot tube, you can use it. Okay, you can replace your Skin Good tube. You can actually switch it for any other good anti-spot tube that you have, okay, that you've tried, not something that you've not tried. Oh yes, but if you know you've not tried any anti-spot tube, please stick to the Skin Good tube. Okay, and the last ingredient on our list is our glutathione serum. I've made a review on this channel about this serum. I love this serum so much. If you can lay your hands on this serum, look for it, and yes, lay your hands on this serum. But this is optional. If you don't have this glutathione serum, you can use this other glutathione serum that I'm showing you right here on the screen. Is a concentrate. You can use this glutathione concentrate. Okay, you can use this one. If you cannot get your glutathione, you can use this other glutathione right here that I'm showing you. Okay, so these are the ingredients, and right now I'm going to tell you how to measure it, the right measurement for what you're about to make. So for your measurement, what you want to do is you want to make sure 250 grams from your Jeggings lotion. Okay, 250 grams or 250 ml from your Jeggings lotion. Put it in a bowl. Please make sure you sterilize your bowl, or make sure you clean them with rubbing alcohol. Okay, make sure your bowl is clean. Whatever you want to use to mix it is clean to prevent germs, okay, and avoid bacteria growing in your product. Okay, you want to get 25 gram or 25 ml of your Jeggings. Okay, you want to get it, and you want to get 2 tablespoons from your bar oil, just 2 tablespoons. You don't need much. If you're using rescue oil, you're using recovery oil, please make sure it's 2 tablespoons. But for this, I prefer either recovery oil or your bar oil. Okay, I prefer those two. And now for your kojic dip, okay, your kojic dip powder, please make sure you get original kojic dip powder, because if you don't get the original kojic dip powder, it's not gonna work. That's the truth. It's not gonna work. Make sure you get your original powder. And for your kojic dip powder, you want to get 4 tablespoons, just 4 tablespoons of your kojic dip powder. And for your rose hip oil, you want to get 2 tablespoons from your rose dip oil. Okay, from your rose dip oil. And for your glutathione serum, which is the concentrate, the yellow concentrate, you want to use quarter of it. Okay, your glutathione serum, look at the bottle and measure it into 4. Okay, you're taking 1 part from that 4 parts, okay, which is quarter of it, not half. Quarter, you want to use quarter from your glutathione concentrate. Okay, your yellow glutathione concentrate. And your Skin Good tube, all you need is 1. Your Skin Good tube, all you need is 1, or any anti-mark or anti-spot, anti-reaction tube that you're using. Please make sure it's 1 tube. Okay, you don't want to use more than 1 tube. And for your glutathione serum, you want to use half of it. Okay, your glutathione serum, you want to use half of it. If you're using the other glutathione concentrate, you are using all of it. Listen, your glutathione serum, you want to use half. And if you don't have your glutathione serum, you're using your glutathione concentrate, you want to use all of your glutathione concentrate. Okay, that's what you want to do. All you have to do is to mix them thoroughly, mix them very, very well. Just mix them and start applying it from the next day. Okay, after making it today, just let it sit in your beautiful body cream or your body lotion container, wherever you want to put it. Let it sit for that day, and from the next day you can start to use it, and that's it. And this lotion that you just made will make you white, will make you glow. Okay, your skin will just glow, your skin will look flawless and look natural. Okay, it's not gonna cause dark knuckles and the rest. No, your skin is just gonna look, it's just gonna look uniform. Okay, it's gonna look uniform. And mind you, you don't want to use this every day for the rest of the year. No, what you want to do after using it to getting a certain skin tone, you want to or the complexion that you desire, what you want to do is to skip that lotion. All you have to do is to keep the lotion and go into a maintenance lotion. A maintenance lotion is a lotion that will not make you dark, okay, that will not bleach you furthermore, but just going to maintain your skin tone and maintain your skin the way you are. That's what you want to do. And after like 2-3 weeks, you can switch back to this lotion. That's how you want to use it. That's how you want to use this whitening lotion. And please don't use it in the morning when you're going to the sun. If you know you're the type that sit down at home all day, you don't enter the sun at all, you can use it morning and night as much as you want till you get to the desired complexion that you want, and then you give it a break, use a maintenance lotion, and then you come back again after like 2-3 weeks to 1 month. So lovelies, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video so others can also see this video, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. All right, till I see you in my next video. Remain blessed, still good. Share this video so that others can also see this video, and they can also learn from this video. All right, bye bye.